Hey guys, this is Hank. It is August the 19th? 0003, and my birds of paradise, our birds of paradise, has bloomed. Look how big and pretty that baby is. I'm gonna come around from this angle. It's mixed here with this firecracker. Oh, and look at these. But here's it from this angle. Look at that. Man, that is a beautiful plant. Just love it, love it, love it. It is hot here in Houston, Texas. That's what the sky looks like. That sun's over there. We won't go there. But it's so hot. It's scorched my plants here. But as soon as the weather changes, they'll come back. At least these flowers, I got just enough shade to keep going. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Love and light. Namaste.